this is the demo video on this software. This is a money making website where you can make money by having your own novel website. Okay, so you can see this back end of this software. I just want to give you the demo. First of all, you can list any site. Okay, so the site listing, you can see I've already added one site. If you want to add your site, you can add by using this domain novelpro.org subdomain, or you can also use your custom domain. Okay, so let's go to the site settings. Okay, so now if you want to go to the settings, just click out here. You can upload your own logo, you can add your email address, about you can write short content about it, about your site, Facebook profile, Instagram profile, etc. Okay, so now this is a very powerful feature. You can also add opt-in form to generate leads. Okay, so give the title, description, and the favicon. Okay, so next thing is the site pages. Okay, so but before I go to the site pages, I want to show you how your website will look like. Okay, so your website will look like this. Okay, so you can see out here popular novels, top novels, latest novels, featured novels, and etc. Okay, so you can see the website. This is the home page. There are also categories, different categories you can add or remove. You can also see shop novels. Okay, now this is where you'll make money. Okay, so for all sales you'll make money on Amazon. Okay, so you can add pages, you can also add blogs out here. Okay, so I'll just give you a quick demo out here. In the affiliate settings part, you just have to insert your Amazon affiliate ID. So once you go and add your ID out here, Amazon ID, you can just go to any of this page. Okay, so meanwhile I'll just go and tell you what this site blog is. Okay, so site blog is you can add your own content. Okay, sorry, there are no campaigns found. In the beginning there won't be any campaigns for you, but you can always create a blog by using this tab. Okay, so you can see the website is here. You can add your own RSS feed URL, or you can enter your RSS source URL. Okay, that is the content source which it can upload. Okay, so it also have the feature to add articles. Okay, so you can create your own articles out here. You can add articles, you can give your titles. You can see that you have a lot of options to do with the article. Okay, you can also add images out here. Okay, so now this is cool features. The main part is the site ads. Okay, now you can add advertisement in your website. Okay, whether it's an affiliate product, whether it's a ClickBank product, Amazon product, whatever it is, you can add advertisement on the homepage banner or the sidebar or inside the content body. Okay, so you can add images out here, or this is the place for the link. Okay, now once you go to shop novels, you can select any one. You can see out here that this website will automatically scrap all those bestseller books out here, all the novels I mean, and whenever a person goes and buys on Amazon, you get paid. Okay, so let's go and see the details of one of this novel. Okay, so let's go back to this demo part. This site ads is very useful because you can add whatever product, whether you have your own product or whether you are using ClickBank product or any affiliate products. You can go and insert the banner from those products. Okay, so let's go to this product details. Okay, now once someone clicks the novel name, they'll get the description of the novel. Okay, it's already there for you. Okay, now this share now button is also very useful to get traffic. Okay, so once they go and buy it on Amazon, from using this button you get paid. Okay, so now you can see all these most popular novels out here. Now this is a good way to promote more offers. Okay, now once you go and activate the site ads, you can get a banner out here on the top, or even inside the content out here. Let's go to novels and let's go and let's click action novels. Okay, so now these are also novels where people can go and read the free novels on your website. Okay, so now this is very lucrative business. Anyone, even a newbie, even a 10-year-old boy can go and start this business. Okay, now next part is the change password part. If you want to change the password, you can change it by going to this tab. Let's go back to the page out here. Now you can see out here a lot of novels out here. Okay, now these are novels which someone can just go and read it even for free on your website. Okay, the more people come and visit your website, the more sales you get. Okay, so you have to give something for people to read it for free also. Okay, now you can see all these chapters. Okay, so all the chapters are listed out here, and if you go to any of this chapter, you'll see the content of the novel inside. Okay, so I don't know, just look out here. Okay, now people can also share it out here. Chapter 22, you can see that all this novel content, they can read it on their mobile phones, tabs, whatever it is. It's very easy and user friendly. Okay, so the training part, as I told you, you can see on the front page on the main dashboard, or you can go to this tab which I just clicked. Okay, so it will take some time for the videos to load. Never mind, we can wait for some times. Meanwhile, let's just go and check out this website. Okay, now this website is very good. Now people can search their novels out here. You can add your banner out here, or you can add your banners on the sidebar. People can read free novels. They can shop novels which you are selling an item from Amazon, so the trust is also very good. And you can see out here shop novels, the normal novels, whatever page you add, it will come up out here. Okay, so you can add your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram for good traffic. You can also add your email address on this part. The training. Okay, so you can see that the demo video is there, how to create a website is also there, how to add logos, everything is taught to you. Okay, so now all these training videos, more videos will be added if needed. Okay, so this is a simple model to make money. And this bonus part, I won't click this bonus part because let this be a secret. Okay, but I'll just give you a hint. Okay, I'll give you a hint is you will get how to send traffic to this website. Okay, so the website you make, everything is ready. Okay, but you do not know, maybe you are newbie and you do not know how to send traffic, but this bonus has lots and lots of very good things, and one thing is traffic. Okay, and with that traffic source you can easily make good amount of money using this system. Okay, so now if you have any issues, you can also create a ticket out here and you'll get a reply within 24 hours. Okay, so this is the back end of NovelPro. If you want to get this system, go to the link on the description, and I'll be sending you my own bonuses for you guys. Okay, so you know me, I'm good at sending a lot of bonuses for you guys. I will only send bonus that will be useful for this website. Okay, will be useful for this website to make more money. Okay, so scale. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. This website is awesome. It's just 3 steps. You just have to get access to NovelPro, enter a few simple details, and you just have to sit back and relax. Okay, so thank you very much. And remember, they also have one OTO. Okay, so one OTO, which is good. They have a lot of OTOs, but one OTOs which is good. That means you can go and ask the support team to create a whole website for you, create campaigns for you, and start making money within a week. Okay, so that's something I want you guys to upgrade if you can. If you do not want to, that's okay. You can you can just go and take the front end of this website. Okay, front end price, that's just $17. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I hope you liked my demo, and I wish you good luck. Bye bye.